family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Selena Zinchuk. In today's video, we are going to be making our sea moss that we can use on our hair, our skin, and also internal. I'm using half cup of sea moss. When you get your sea moss, it comes with some salt on it, so you just have to make sure that you wash it properly. The direction also stated that you can wash it with lime or lemon, but I am out of lemon juice, so I'm just going to take my time and wash it thoroughly. Sea moss is taken from the ocean, so do not be alarmed when it have a slight ocean smell on it. It provides excellent culinary value and works especially well as a vegan thickener or emulsifier, taking the place of eggs. It is used for numerous dishes around the globe. You can also add this to your smoothie to give it a consistency. It can also be used in your juice. You can also add this to your desserts, your sauce, and soup. Sea moss is great for health. Irish sea moss is an excellent source of nutrients. It is loaded with potassium, calcium, natural vitamins A, B, C, D, E, and K. Sea moss have 90 of the 102 natural minerals that our body needs. I am using spring water to add to my sea moss for it to soak overnight. Just make sure that you add enough water to cover up your sea moss. And then I'm going to cover this and leave it overnight until tomorrow. This is the next day. When you soak your sea moss, you will notice that the next day it do expand in size. So I'm just going to cut this into smaller pieces. The direction also stated that you can boil your sea moss after you soak it for some hours. But in this video, I'm not going to be doing the boiling method. I'm just going to transfer it into my blender and blend it to the consistency that I need. But if you want, you can boil your sea moss with the same water that you soak your sea moss in. As I mentioned earlier, that you can also use sea moss on your skin. This is a great ingredient that is used by skincare brands. It has antibacterial, antimicrobial, and antiviral properties. It also used to soothe your skin conditions such as eczema, dermatitis, and burns. Irish sea moss can help to rehydrate dry skin and leave your skin feeling smooth and beautiful. I will be using 4 ounces of water for my sea moss. Being that I want a smooth consistency, I'm going to add in the water little by little. I first added in 2 ounces, and if I see that it's too thick, I'm going to add in the remaining 2 ounces until I get a consistency that I want. Irish sea moss gel is an amazing ingredient for your hair care products. It is a natural thickening agent. It helps emulsify products, strengthens hair, and fortify hair fibers, which enhances shine in your hair. It soothes your scalp and conditions your scalp. It adds moisture, smoothness, and softness to your hair, and it accelerates hair. I will be making an updated video on our sea moss gel on how to use it on our hair as a leave-in treatment. So please stay tuned for that. If you love this video, can you please give me a like? Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have tried sea moss gel on your hair and how your hair reacted to it. One of my subscribers suggested that I give this a try, and thank you so much for bringing this to my attention. And I will see you in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.